Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install your DIY Guardfather security system control panel. And if you are looking for a wireless DIY security system, I'll leave a QR code on the screen that you can scan with your mobile phone. It'll take you straight to the Guardfather website. I'll also leave a link in the description that you can click, and that will take you straight to the website so you can build your own security system and take control of your own security. Now on to installing the device. First off, we need to connect our control panel to the network. So here's your control panel piece of equipment. Unbox it. In the box, you will also have a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, some screws and raw plugs, and some 3M sticky back tape. So you have a couple of options on how you decide to mount your control panel. So to begin, get your power adapter and plug it into a power source. Then get your control panel, and on the back of your control panel is a cover. Slide down this cover, and it pops off just like that. Get your power outlet and plug it in to the back where required. Now get your network cable that's plugged into your router and plug it in to the Ethernet port inside the panel. And it will click in just like that. If you have also ordered a SIM with your panel, the SIM slot is just there in the back where you can pop in the nano SIM. If you have ordered a SIM, at the end of your complete install, send us a message to our WhatsApp number so we can activate it so you've got dual path. On the back of the panel is a power button, just on there. I want you to hold that for a couple of seconds and we're going to power up the panel. The panel now has power, it has its network, and it just needs about a minute's time just to boot up and jump onto the network. When it comes to mounting your panel, there are 3 options, 2 of which I'll show you after we've installed our products onto the system. But the first option you've got is just to get the back plate now that you've connected your power and your internet. Put the back plate back on, slide it into position just like that. There are 2 other options which I'll show you shortly. Now that we've allowed the control panel to connect to the network, I want you to get your mobile phone because we're going to need to install the Guardfather app and then add this control panel onto your system. Inside the box of any piece of equipment, you'll receive some paperwork with it. On that paperwork, there's a barcode you can scan. When you scan that, it takes you to the Guardfather app on the App Store, whether it's the App Store or the Play Store, and you can download the app. Once you've downloaded the app, follow through the steps to add your account. Once you've added your account, it's time to go to the Guardfather app on your mobile phone. The first page you're presented with says, "No panel yet, please add panel first." So click the button that says Add Panel. Enter the name of your panel, let's say for instance, Home, and then it says Enter ID. Press the barcode scanner to the right hand side and then scan the barcode that's on the back of the control panel. And click Confirm. Success, you've now added your control panel. How easy was that? If you now click onto the control panel, you're going to be presented with the home screen where it says Arm Stay, Arm, Emergency button and Disarm. There are 3 ways to mount your control panel. One is simply just to put it down on a surface that's near your router after it's been plugged in and networked. The other way is to screw it to the wall, as I've done here, with 4 screws going into the wall. We'll provide the raw plugs and the screws so you can attach it for a more secure fit if you want to. The other way is using these 3M sticky back tapes that we have provided, sticking them on the back plate there and sticking the back plate to the wall rather than screwing it, just in case you don't want to screw your wall for any reason. And then for any of the 3 choices that you make, you simply get your front plate here, it slots onto the back plate and you will hear it click when you push down. All installed. You want to install some more Guardfather equipment together? Well then click here or click here